The uncertainty over the spread of the coronavirus is rattling markets. The Dow has plunged more than 2,300 points in the last 5 trading days. President Trump says the risk of Americans getting infected is low, and he led an effort yesterday to show his administration is prepared. Paula Reid is at the White House for us. Paula, good morning. What's the president's mission here?
Good morning, Tony. Well, this press conference came following days of conflicting messages from the administration on coronavirus. And CBS News has learned the president was frustrated that officials were not projecting a more positive outlook even as the markets tumbled. So last night, in only his second ever White House briefing room appearance, the president tried to reassure nervous Americans.
We're very, very ready for this, for anything.
Flanked by health officials, the president said his administration has plans in place for a worst-case scenario, including stockpiling protective equipment and masks.
Every aspect of our society should be prepared.
And Mr. Trump said Vice President Mike Pence will head the task force responsible for monitoring the outbreak and coordinating with local officials across the country on their response to the virus.
I look forward, Mr. President, to serving in this role.
Health officials agreed with the president that the aggressive strategy so far had been working, but were cautious about the future.
We can expect to see more cases in the United States.
Moments later, the president contradicted that.
I don't think it's inevitable.
And there were other discrepancies on how soon a vaccine may be available.
The vaccine is coming along well, and in speaking to the doctors, we think this is something that we can develop fairly rapidly.
Although this is the fastest we have ever gone from a sequence of a virus to a trial, it still will not be any applicable to the epidemic unless we really wait about a year to a year and a half.
Health officials say prevention is crucial.
We don't have any natural immunity, we don't have a vaccine, and we don't have antivirals to treat this. So really, right now, prevention is ounce of cure.
But the administration has been criticized for cutting funding that had been dedicated to coordinating government responses to public health crises.
What he's doing is late, too late, anemic. Hopefully we can make up for the loss of time.
The president fired back at Speaker Pelosi, calling her incompetent, but also saying they have to be on the same team. And the president says those travel restrictions that he imposed early on in this outbreak worked, and he is open to adding additional travel restrictions, but now, he said, is not the right time. Gayle?
All right, Paula, thank you very much.